Next question. Based on this 6th question, there is a 7th question. This question also has appeared for your ND exam. Let's see. In a test, 5 questions are of the form state true and false. Okay, so true and false type के questions है अपने पास. No student has got all the answers correct. Also, the answer of every student is different. Find the number of students appear for the test. देखो यहाँ पे what is the question is. So you have total 5 options. Sorry, you have total 5 questions. Tell me if you have true and false questions. So question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many options this question number 1 is having? 2 options. What about this second? 2, इसको 2 and इसको 2. How many total options you are having?
2 raised to 5.
2 raised to 5. How much it is?
2 raised to
32.
It is 32.
Yes.
Is this okay? So
Yes, sir.
total number of options are 32. What this mean? Total number of options 32 meaning what? Means there are 32 different patterns in which the student can answer this question. देखो यहाँ पे इसका मीनिंग क्या हो रहा है देखो. True, false, true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. Suppose this is your answer key, answer sheet, and maybe one student is answering the first question like this. वो इसको टिक कर रहा है, दूसरा क्वेश्चन इसको टिक कर रहा है, तीसरा इसका कर रहा है, चौथा इसको कर रहा है, एंड पांचवा इसको कर रहा है. सो दिस इज वन पैटर्न आउट ऑफ 32. मे बी यू विल से लाइक नहीं सर मुझे ये पैटर्न पसंद नहीं है, मैं क्या करूँगा, मैं इसको 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 एंड इसको क्लिक करूँगा. दिस इज अनदर पैटर्न आउट ऑफ 32. आर यू गेटिंग द केस?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
understanding this 32 meaning is what? This is nothing but the different way, matlab in the different sequence you are taking, you are selecting your answers. देखो यहाँ पे. Now out of 32, tell me how many patterns will be of correct? Out of 32, how many patterns will be correct?
only one.
Only one pattern will be correct. ओनली वन पैटर्न विल बी करेक्ट. जो पैटर्न हम लोग आंसर की में देखते हैं ना, क्या हो गया इसको कलर नहीं आ रहा, जो पैटर्न हम लोग आंसर की में देखते हैं ना, दैट इज द ओनली पैटर्न इज करेक्ट. मे बी सपोज क्वेश्चन 1 इज ट्रू, क्वेश्चन 2 इज लेट सपोज फॉल्स, इट इज फॉल्स एंड इट इज फॉल्स, एंड सपोज दिस इज ट्रू. सपोज दिस इज योर आंसर की. नाउ for these 5 questions, this is the pattern to get all the answers correct. Are you getting? So out of 32, only one is correct. So how many wrong answers are there, or how many wrong
30.
patterns are there? 31.
31.
See, यहाँ पे देखो what they have said here is no student has got all the answers correct, and also the answers of every student is different from the other. So tell me how many students are there?
31.
31 students will be
31.
there. Why 31 student I am taking? उन्होंने बोला है कि एक भी स्टूडेंट करेक्ट आंसर नहीं दिया है. नन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट हैव रिसीव्ड फुल मार्क्स. ओके, सो वो एक केस हम लोग छोड़ दिया, एंड द सेकेंड केस इज अलाउिंग अस टू गेट ऑल द डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स देन. ओके, so if the second statement they have given, if suppose the second statement they have not mentioned, your answer is what? Cannot determine, because हम लोगों को पता नहीं कि इसमें से कितने लोग सेम आंसर. ऐसा हो सकता है ना, मेरा आंसर और आपका आंसर मे बी सेम हो सकता है. आउट ऑफ 32 पैटर्न, मे बी योर आंसर एंड माई आंसर विल मैच. आर यू गेटिंग द केस? इज दिस ओके?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So answer for this question is it's nothing but 31. Okay, very good. Something is happened. Okay. Okay. Yellow color. Yeah. How many numbers between 100 and 1000 have 4 in the units place? Can you solve this question?
Yes, sir.
How many
Yes, sir.
numbers between 100 and 1000? 100 and 1000 में all are the 3-digit numbers. Are you getting the case? 100 and 1000 में all are the 3-digit numbers, and how many of them will have 4 at the units place? So how many options you have for this place?
1.
Only one option is there. Only one option is there. Tell me how many options you can have for this place?
9.
9.
9 of them.
9.
9 options. What about this?
10.
10 options. Excellent. Very good. See here. Why 9? Because you cannot use 0 here. And why 10? I can use a 0 as well as, if you see the numbers in between these, the numbers are repeated. Sorry, the digits are repeated. Means suppose you may have the question number like this 994. You may have 884. You may have 724. You may have 624. कुछ भी हो सकता है. आप repeat भी ले सकते हो, non repeat भी ले सकते हो. So that's why the digit is repeating is allowed in this case. Is this okay? So what do we do with this 9, 10 and 1? I will multiply. So what is my answer? It's a 10. 90, sorry. I hope it makes sense to all.
Can you repeat?
Okay, see here what the question is saying. Okay, let me change this color to green. Okay. देखो, how many numbers between 100 and 1000 have 4 at the units place? Okay, अभी आपको 4 at the units place चाहिए, तो देखो यहाँ पे you have only one option at the units place, which is 4. I want 4, exactly 4 here, so only one option is there. So if you see from 100 to 1000, first number will be 101 and the last number will be what? It's 9, 9 and 9. You cannot take 100 and 1000 because the question itself is saying it is a between. So between मतलब आपको extremes छोड़ने पड़ेंगे. So we have to take only the just before and after the numbers given. Is this okay? So all are the 3-digit numbers. Is this okay? Yes, who has asked me to repeat this? Please reply. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, अभी देखो, for the number to satisfy my units place should be 4 only. So only one option I have. Now if you see, for the 100th place, you are using from 1 to 9 digits. 1 आ सकता है, 2 आ सकता है, यहाँ पे 1 आ सकता है, 2 आ सकता है, 3 आ सकता है, 4 आ सकता है, till 9 सब लोग नंबर आ सकते हैं यहाँ पे. So I have total 9 options. Now for the second place, see here, you can use 0, you can use 1, you can use 2, till you can use 9. All the digits I can use. So how many digits these are? These are the 10 digits total. So 9 into 10 into 1 becomes 90. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Now based on the same, question number 8, take the question number 9 as an homework question. There is a twist in this question. That twist I will not disclose here. This question has again appeared for your India exam. Okay, they have given here 7. In your exam there was like 4. Okay, how many digit 4 exactly once? How many numbers between 100 and 1000 have the digits 4 exactly once? That you have to think. Okay, this question and this question both are not same, I am telling you. The 8th and 9th one are totally different questions, but you will get the solution when you understand the question number 8. So take this challenge and try to solve this question, homework question. Next, bolo. Done? Okay, keep that for your homework. Good, you have done, that's great. Let's take the question number 10. How many 4-digit numbers will not exceed 7432 if they are formed using the digits 2347? Will not exceed 7432 if they are using the numbers like 2347. Now tell me, what will be the maximum number you will get out of these 4?
7432.
So they have given like 2347. So इसमें से मुझे maximum number मिलेगा 7432. What is the minimum number you will get from these 4?
2347.
No. Okay, so they have asked the 4-digit. Yes. So if it is 4-digit, so I will get like in 2347 is what the minimum number. So this is my minimum number and this is my maximum number. Abhi indirectly they have asked us to find out the numbers in between these two, or you may say that how many numbers we can form using the digits 2347. So they have asked us to find out the 4-digit number. So let's have 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many options you have for this place?
3.
Why 3?
No, 4.
4 options.
Even if I use 7 here, then 4 here, then 3 here, then 2 here. This 7432 is not exceeding the 7432. It is equal. So means what? It is satisfying the given condition. Are you getting the case?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here total I have. So I can use any
Four
of the
factorial.
given 4 numbers. So this answer is 4. Option is 4. You have used 1. So how many options are available for this? 3, then 2, and then
3.
1. So it is nothing but 4 factorial, which is nothing but 24.
24.
This is what my answer is. Next case. Next question. Is speed okay, or should I decrease my speed?
So speed is okay.
Yes, sir.
Speed is
okay.
Perfect. Thank you. If numbers are formed using the digits 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 without repetition, how many of them will exceed 400? How many of them will exceed 400? Can you take this question for homework?
Yes, sir.
देखो यहाँ पे I will give you the hint. Okay. If the numbers are formed using the digits, so they have not mentioned us that how many digits we should take out of the given 5 digits. Okay. But indirectly they have given that. How many of them will exceed 400? मतलब you will get 3 digit number starting with 4. You will get all the 4 digits and you will get all the 5 digits. Is this okay? Because any 4 digit definitely is going to be greater than 400. Any 5 digit will be definitely greater than the 400. Are you getting the case? Or should I explain here?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, got it.
ओके प्लीज पुट अ ट्राई. ओके एक बार ट्राई करके देखो कैसा होता है. पता है क्या, जनरली स्टूडेंट्स में कैसा होता है कि सर क्लास में ना जब भी आप पढ़ाते हो ना सर मुझे सब समझ में आता है. आई फील लाइक आई बिकम द मास्टर इन द मैथमेटिक्स. बट सर मैं जब भी खुद से सॉल्व करने जाता हूँ ना सर कुछ नहीं आता है. सो इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है पता है क्या? यू आर नॉट पुटिंग द एफर्ट्स. ओके यू आर जस्ट वॉचिंग द मैच, यू आर नॉट प्लेइंग द मैच. ओके अगर सचिन तेंदुलकर के 100 मैचेस देख के अगर मैं सचिन तेंदुलकर बन जाता तो कितना अच्छा होता. नहीं. इफ़ यू जस्ट वॉच दी मैचेस ऑफ सचिन तेंदुलकर यू विल नॉट बिकम अ गुड बैट्समैन. उसके लिए मैच तो देखना ही पड़ता है. सो मीन्स कौन से बॉल पे वो कैसा छक्का मार रहा है, चौका मार रहा है, डिफेंस कर रहा है. दीज थिंग्स वी शुड नो. बट उसके साथ हम लोग को घर पे प्रैक्टिस भी करना पड़ेगा ना सचिन बनने के लिए. सो आई ऑलवेज टेल द स्टूडेंट्स दैट जस्ट डोंट लुक एट दी क्लास, जस्ट डोंट लुक एट द वीडियोज़, उसके साथ प्रैक्टिस करो. सो आई वॉज टेलिंग लाइक कि पैरेलली मेरे साथ पढ़ाई करो. आज का ये क्लास ख़त्म हो गया. सो टुडे ओनली, बाय टुडे ओनली बिफोर यू गो टू बेड यू हैव टू फिनिश दिस एक्सरसाइज. तभी आपको इसका जो फ्लेवर मिलने वाला है, इसका जो मज़ा मिलने वाला है, दैट यू विल गेट डेफिनेटली. इसके बाद कैसा होता है, सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स में लाइक दे लीव दीज एक्सरसाइजेस. वो बोलते कि आज नहीं यार कल करूँगा, कल नहीं परसों करूँगा. कैसा होता है कि परसों तरसों में से यार दूसरे टॉपिक आएंगे ना, तो उसका भी पढ़ाई करना पड़ेगा, इसका भी पढ़ाई करना पड़ेगा. सो इट शुड नॉट हैपन विथ यू. ओके सो प्लीज़ गिव द एफर्ट्स and try to solve the given questions as an homework. If you are solving all the questions, that's perfectly fine and that is highly recommended to solve all the questions. Even if we have solved the questions in the class, you have to solve all the questions. But ये तो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने ही है आपको जो होमवर्क को दिया है. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट.
सर
बोलो.
जो 10th क्वेश्चन था ना उसका आंसर 23 दिया था.
कहाँ पे?
वो 10th वाला.
लीव इट अपने एक्सरसाइज में क्या?
हाँ.
See here they have not considered this 7432 also.
Okay.
See how many digits will not exceed. Tell me whether 7432 is exceeding 7432.
No, sir.
No, it is not exceeding. So why should we remove this? So definitely there are some printing mistake we can say in your answer keys given in the textbook. So I will suggest that solve all the questions, match your answers. जो क्वेश्चन का आंसर मैच नहीं हो रहा है प्लीज़ ब्रिंग इट टू मी और ब्रिंग इट टू योर फ्रेंड्स. लेट अस सॉल्व एंड लेट्स कम टू द कंक्लूजन दैट विच आंसर इज करेक्ट. इज दिस ओके? सो ऐसा टेंशन मत लो कि सर वहाँ पे कुछ अलग दिया है, मेरा कुछ अलग आया. मे बी वहाँ पे प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक हो सकता है. मे बी यू हैव डन सम अदर मिस्टेक. ओके हो सकता है. चलो Let's move to the next question. How many numbers formed with the digits 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8 will fall between 13 and 1000 if the digits can be repeated? I will solve this question. This is a good question. So they have given total 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8 will fall between 13 and 1000. So we want to solve the take the numbers from 13 to between 13 to 1000. So very first number, what do you think, which number will be first using these digits
14.
0, 1, 2,
14.
5, 7, 8?
15.
So 15 will be the first number.
15.
Okay, 15 will be the first, then 17,
17
then
and
18, and then 20.
18.
20.
So what we will do, these are the how many numbers, 4 numbers we have taken. इसके बाद what we do is we will find out the 2 digit numbers and 3 digit numbers. देखो यहाँ पे so the 2 digit numbers which are greater than 20, tell me how will you find out the 2 digit numbers which are greater than 20 using these numbers? How many options you have for this place? I can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Four.
Okay, all these numbers I can use except 0. I can use all the numbers. So total I have 5 options for this place. How many options you have for this place?
3.
Why 3?
5
2 and 0 we can't use, right?
Sorry?
can be repeated.
एक minute.
If we use 1 in the tens place, then we can't use 2 and 0, right? Because it is less than 13.
we can use 6 digits in the tens place.
Oh, sorry. Definitely. Sorry. We have done mistake. So here यहाँ पे definitely I cannot use 0, boss. If a number is greater than 20 means I cannot use 0 and 1.
Yes.
Is this okay? If the number is greater than 20, I cannot use 1 and 0 at the 100th place. 10th place. I cannot use these two.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how many options are available for me? Only 4 options.
4.
Sorry for that. Okay. Next tell me how many options I have for this place.
4.
Out of this, how many options I have for this
5.
place?
5.
See, the digits can be repeated, bola hai already. So other than 0, because you have already considered 0 यहाँ पे, means 20 number you have already considered. Now do not take that 20 again.
5.
But no. But 5 के साथ 0 आ सकता है, 7 के साथ 0 आ सकता है, and 8 के साथ भी 0 आ सकता है. So what I will do is I will take 2 cases में, एक देखो यहाँ पे. I will take all these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will take all these 6 numbers. So how many 2 digit numbers I have formed which are equal to or greater than 20? 24. But out of this 24 I have already considered 20. So I will remove 1. So it becomes 23. Now is this okay to all?
23. Yes, sir.
So there are 23 numbers which are greater than 20. I am talking greater than 20. Okay, now coming back to the 3 digit numbers. So tell me the 3 digit number. How many options we have for this first page?
5.
5. I can use all the digits now because definitely they are going to be in between these two. How many options for this place?
5.
6. I can use 0 also.
6.
How many options for this place?
6.
6. Okay. कितना हो गया? 30 आणि 18. So 180 हो गया.
180.
Now what is your
Yes,
answer? What is your answer? So my answer is 180 plus 23 plus these 4 numbers.
Sir, not 4, only 3.
Only 3, sir.
Why?
Because 20 we have
We
considered, right?
subtracted from 24.
No, sir. 4.
Boss, out of this 24 we have, okay, if you don't want to count 20 here, then you count here. But as already I have counted 20 here, I am removing that duplication 20 which I have counted in this 24. So I have removed that one here. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
So either you count यहाँ पे 4 or you count यहाँ पे 24. But try to understand, you cannot take 20 twice. So that was the googly they have given in this question. कितना आ गया? यहाँ पे 4 आ गए, यहाँ पे 23 आ गए, टोटल हो गए 27. 27 plus 180 is how much?
207
207
207 ऑप्शन है क्या अपने पास?
नहीं
ऑप्शन नहीं है. सो ये दो ऑप्शन सेम हो गए ना, एक को 207 कर दो. ओके, इज दिस ओके टू ऑल?
यस सर
Please try to understand the varieties of the questions or the concept given in the question. Each and every question is having some different concept.
Can you